Welcome to Coco Coir Experiment Part 2. I lost some footage over the weekend when I transferred to a new phone. I apologize for that. Please enjoy what I do have. These have been uncovered now for a few days, and things are looking good. This experiment's going really well. I'm quite pleased. This is the rainbow radish. So earlier I showed you that there was a lot of these that hadn't germinated. There was like kind of piles of seed, and I just kept misting them. And they kind of germinated. So, hooray, things are going good. This is the spicy oriental mustard. It's doing well. It's the Hong Vit radish. This is the spicy salad mix. Really happy with how that's growing. That's a really nice looking tray of the spicy salad mix. Here is the red garnet mustard. Also doing pretty well. It's a little spotty with some of these smaller seeds because they're kind of hard to spread evenly on this core because it's so loose. And you can see I did have some that didn't germinate. But all in all, it's doing pretty well. This one isn't doing well. This is the rainbow shard. I didn't expect that to do well, and it didn't. That has nothing to do with the grow media. That's partly my process, and partly that seed has been kind of abused. It's been out in the heat and stuff, and it's not a very good seed anymore, I don't think. I think that might kind of wrap it up, maybe, for my updates on this. I might squeeze in one more. But wait, there's more! I just decided to add one more little clip in here to show you how things are going. I'm super happy with how the spicy salad mix is going. And so I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you how things are. A lot of this could be harvested right now, but I'm going to give it another day. See how things go. I moved the trays around a little bit because the spicy mix was in the back. And that's kind of the one I really wanted to show you. So this is growing fantastic. I usually don't get it to grow quite this good, I don't think, on soil. So I could not be happier with the way that this is performing with my little like mini crack key method. So they're all sitting on top of the Coco Coir mat, and there's just a little bit of water in the bottom. See if I can tip it to show you. Yeah, see that? So there's a little bit of, it's not just water, it's the nutrient solution in the bottom. So it's doing awesome. I'm really happy with it. I can say without question that I like the cocoa fiber mats better than the BioStraight mats. But the BioStraight mats do work just fine. I prefer this. Radish, looking awesome. It's kind of leaning away from the camera because it was over here, and I just pushed it straight back, and where my light's placed, they were stretching that way for the light. Here's the Hong Vit radish, also looking fantastic. Let's see if I can get in here and see if I can show you what they look like. Looking very good. Here's the spicy mustard, also looking good. It's maybe a little bit uneven. I explained this, it's already once, but it's uneven in the way that I spread out the seed because they're so small. And I didn't have that problem with the spicy mix though, but maybe it's just the way I was spreading them when I got to this tray. Here's the red garnet mustard. You can see the leaves are starting to turn a little bit red. This is also performing very nicely on this media. And I haven't even looked under here yet, so I don't know what's to find, but I know it's not going to be that good. Yeah, that's an absolute fail. That was the rainbow shard. Let's get back to the video, but this is pretty much the bulk of it. You get a pretty good idea of how things are doing. Everything looks pretty good. If anybody's really curious and seeing a follow-up video on some of this or whatever, just let me know and I'll make sure I include it in maybe one of my other videos. And that's going to do it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.